So I have tried the Apple Vision Pro $3,500 virtual reality headset, and despite the hype, I've got to give you my honest minority opinion. I don't want it. I wouldn't spend $3,500 for it. I wouldn't spend $3,000, $2,500, $2,000, $1,500, or even $1,000 for it. Maybe $500, but even that would be a stretch. Now, this face computer that Apple has just designed has some truly amazing technology. I will give it that. It's a wow. And the demo they gave me at the Apple Store had some really, really awesome photo and video features. But I like to share my photos and videos with other people. I like to watch movies and TV shows with others. And the Vision Pro is a solitary experience. What is the Vision Pro, you ask? It's a virtual reality headset like attaching the biggest IMAX movie screen that you've ever seen to your eyes and then learning a bunch of hand gestures to navigate your way from screen to screen. In my demo, we looked at photos, we looked at videos, we saw a travel website with words, a cooking app, and for the grand finale, oh wow, Alicia Keys singing a song in a shot so realistic, she looked like she was standing right in front of me. I saw a man swimming with a shark, rhinos so close it looked like I was about to be hit by one of their horns, a woman walking across a rope barefoot, and other National Geographic-like wonders of the world. Again, amazing stuff. But unlike many Apple demos where I ended up in a place feeling that I had to own this new product, the Vision Pro just didn't do it for me. I couldn't make the buy connection. The bottom line would always be the same. This is a product for using in a solitary fashion. The best thing about it is the entertainment, but do you enjoy watching movies and TV shows by yourself? And would you be willing to wear something this heavy on your face for longer than 20 minutes? I know that at the Apple Store, I was looking forward to the end of the demo so I could finally remove it. Now, I could imagine taking it home and using this thing maybe once, twice, possibly 3 times. I don't know about how much more than that. What about the photography angle, you ask? There is a camera inside the unit, and it's capable of taking some breathtaking spatial photos and videos, basically 3D images that really pop. Examples given by Apple include a children's birthday party where the candles of the birthday cake shine in a way that you're unaccustomed to seeing, balloons that pop out of the screen, and such. I saw widescreen panoramas that went on forever from one side to the other, and they all looked totally fantastic. But again, you can't share any of these experiences. They're solitary. Now, to paraphrase many of the reviews, this is the future. Okay, and the device, as we know it, will eventually be lighter, cheaper, and even cooler in the future. I can see the use case for entertainment on your face, but I'm not in a rush. Apple fanboys, prove me wrong. Jefferson Graham here. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned to more episodes of PhotowalksTV right here. If you haven't done it already, please like, please share, please comment.